How to use generative AI 2025. In this video, we're going to be talking about generative AI and how you're going to be using it. Now, there's tons and tons of generative AIs out there, like Dolly, ChatGPT, Midjourney, and a whole lot more. But the best ones are obviously the ones that I've stated. So, to know how to use these, like let's say in ChatGPT, you're going to click on Create Image over here. Now, to use it, simply add a prompt of any type. So, it depends on you on what prompt you prefer. Now the prompt I'm gonna go with is create an image of a, metal concert in Woodstock. Okay, I'm gonna simply write that in. So that is a pretty simple and straightforward prompt for GPT to think of and write in. So let's see what it generates. And usually the type of things it generates are pretty cool. They're pretty nice, and it's something that you do like to use. And look at that. Look at how incredible that looks. So basically, just like this, you can use generative AI for yourself in the easiest way. So thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.